Hey guys, welcome back to Chandu's World. Right now, inside Claude, there is a connector that lets Claude search Indeed directly, live real postings without you leaving the chat. That means you can say, find me data analyst roles or data engineer roles in Houston or the location that you are in, posted this week. And Claude actually goes and searches Indeed for you. It will pull real job postings, reads every single one, and then tells you which ones you should actually have a shot at. Not just the list of jobs, a scored, ranked, and filtered list based on your real resume, with the weak matches removed before you waste even a single minute on them. I'm going to show you how to connect this in 30 seconds and run it live on screen right now. Let's go. Here is exactly what you are going to walk away with today. You connect the Indeed connector that is present. Here Indeed will be there. Where is Indeed? Indeed. From that point on, in any chat, you can just ask Claude to search Indeed directly. I have already given a detailed prompt that I have prepared and my target role as a data analyst and the location. Claude is going to search Indeed live, pull back real postings, and then score every single one against my actual background, giving me a match percentage, which is around like this percentage 78, 79, 80. And I should apply now, apply with a tweak or apply with any other details that is also written. Claude is going to write me a tailored resume bullet point and a cover letter at the end. So these are the details, and now let's connect it. Everything you need is all free. Number one, you need a Claude account, Claude AI free to sign up. Number two, your resume, ideally the ATS optimized version from video 2 of this series. Number three, 30 seconds to connect the Indeed connector. I'm going to show you exactly how right now. That is it. No API key, no third party website, no credit card. Let's connect it. Open Claude and then click on the plus icon here, and in here there will be something called as connectors. You need to go to add connectors and then browse connectors. Here you will get a search bar at the top, and here you need to type Indeed, and I've already installed it. You will basically ask for like connection and disconnection. Click connect or enable depending on your account. It might ask you to authorize access. Just follow the on-screen steps. It takes about 30 seconds to just connect it. Once it is done, you will see Indeed showing as connected. Here again, come to connectors and it will be showing as connected in the connector list. That's it. You never have to do this again. Every future chat Indeed is available to Claude the moment you turn it on for that conversation. Just check the connector icon here at the top of your chat and make sure it is toggled on. Open a new chat. In here, make sure that Indeed is already enabled, and then you need to paste this prompt. Here in this prompt, the most important thing is to give it what it is acting as. So you are an expert career advisor helping me find, evaluate real job opportunities. I have connected in this Indeed to this chat. Use the Indeed connector, and job title is data analyst and location is Houston. Posted within last 7 days because I'm searching for a small location. If you are searching for a big location, you can do for like past 24 hours, and I'm doing it on Saturday. So that means if past 24 hours it won't show anything, and yesterday was a holiday. So search Indeed now and pull back the result. Once you have the result, read the job description, compare it against my resume which I have provided. It will give you a match score. It will list the top three requirements. Top three requirements I am missing in that role, and give me a recommendation like apply now, apply with tweaks, or skip it. If sponsorship or visa information is mentioned or implied anywhere in the posting, it will flag it. After scoring every job, it will sort the full list from top to bottom according to the match score. And then for my top three matches only, it will write one tailored resume bullet point and write a two-sentence cover letter opening line. And the rules are very simple. It will use only real postings, pull from Indeed, and it will be honest. It will not hallucinate, or it will not like encourage you always. It will be honest and it will not inflate. And then I have to attach my resume. So basically you update your resume from the video too that you get. So here I am giving my resume, and then everything is connected. Now we will click enter. Now what it does, it will give me a list in which every detail will be present with job posting, job, where is it it's located in Houston, and then tweaks and everything. We have to wait for a little bit, and it's actually searching, it's identifying missing filter parameters. It's go on to Indeed actually, and for Indeed it will basically ask you to sign before like connecting, so do that if you have missed that. So let's wait for a minute and we'll get back to you. Now we have got the results here, and it has given past 7 days there have been 6 postings for my according to my experience, and it has given me very beautifully. It has given me the company names, the location around Houston, Texas, and the posted dates as well. And in this, it has given me salary ranges, and this is the match score. So basically, whatever is above 60, you definitely have to apply. Basically your chances will be increased there, and I will apply to the top 4 one. And the top 3 requirements met is Power BI dashboard building, 3 to 5 years of data analytic experience, advanced SQL. It has given me properly what is met in the criteria according to my resume and the job description. And the top 3 missing links here is it requires only 1 to 2 years of experience. So basically I am overqualified for this role. Even then we'll apply it. And advanced tax development, survey design and fielding, Excel, VBA, macros and Power Query, these are not shown. And that is a recommendation. This is the first one is apply now because I am overqualified there. And the last 4 is apply with tweaks. We have to tailor our resume based to this requirement. So basically using the video too, you can create an ETS optimized resume based on this. And then there is reasoning given, then sponsorship visa if mentioned it will be shown, it's not mentioned. And the apply links, here are the top 3 I have asked it to give the top 3 bullet points only. So top 3 bullet points, resume bullet points it has given, and the cover letter opener what it should be. So yeah guys, that's it. There is nothing to be done here, everything is sorted. You just need to apply it, and yeah, let's get on to it and apply it. Here is how I want you to actually use this going forward. Every morning or every other morning, open a fresh Claude chat. Make sure that Indeed is actually on and run the same prompt with the same resume. Change the posted within window to last 24 hours if you want the freshest job postings, and combine this with your Apify workflow from video one for maximum coverage. And I will say do not apply to everything. Claude scores above 50. Focus your energy on above 60 or above 70 plus scores first. Those are your best shots. And use the 60 to 80 range as your like second range. Above 80 will be your first range. For anything scored under 50, I will ask you to skip it. I know it is tempting to apply anyway because you are anxious about your OPD timeline, but applying to jobs where you clearly do not meet the requirements, it will be your waste of time, and I will say trust the score. A quick note on how this fits with the rest of the series that I have done. Once Claude gives you a strong match, that top scored job, take that job description straight into the resume. ATS optimizes the prompt from video 2 that I built to fully tailored resume that you get from that. Then use the LinkedIn hiring manager finder from the video tree to find who to send it to directly. This Indeed connector is your new starting point every single day. Find and score first, then run it through the rest of the system. 4 quick pro tips that I want to give is tip 1, run separate searches for different job title variation: data analyst, business intelligence analyst, analytics engineer, associate, are often the same job with different titles. Running the prompt three times with different title will give you postings you would otherwise miss. Tip 2: if Claude's math score feel off, tell it directly. Say you scored this too high. I do not actually have production experience with Snowflake, only Redshift. Claude will recalibrate and give you more accurate scores on the rest of the list. Tip 3: ask Claude to rerun the search weekly and compare it to your previous list. Say, search Indeed again for the same role and location and tell me which of these are new postings. I have not seen this before. This keeps you from wasting time reading jobs you already evaluated. Tip 4: once you get comfortable, expand the search radius. Ask Claude to search multiple cities in one go if you are open to relocating Houston, Dallas, Austin, anywhere in the US, and compare match scores side by side. Guys, the students who get hired fastest are not the ones applying to the most jobs. They are the ones applying to the right jobs with the right resume and doing it consistently every single day. This Indeed connector turns that into 5-minute morning habit instead of an hour scrolling Indeed and guessing which one is correct for you. And I would say connect it right now, run the prompt with your real resume, see your real math score. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for the rest of this free Claude AI job search series. Drop a comment with your highest math score from today's search. I want to see it. I am Chandu. Go connect that Indeed connector. I will see you in the next week. But before I go, I am like hoping for you to get a job soon and you will get it. I know that. All the best. See you next week.